Hello friends, I am Malini from Bits of Lake. Today I am going to make this beautiful earring which I am wearing. These looks complex but they are very easy to make. You can make it in your home. So let's start. Firstly we will need a quilling strip of 3 mm in green color. You can take any color of your choice. I will take green color. Then we would need white glue. We will also need this kind of border body. Several circles are there and you can make several different diameter circle with this kind of border body. I have marked is A, B, C, D. Hope you can see that. This kind of border body I found in itsybitsy.in. They have a huge collection of craft material and as well as quilling materials. So you can find from them. This border body is extremely helpful to make geometric jewelries. Then you will also need this flat nose plier. We will also need 2 fish hooks and 2 5 mm jump rings. Now let's get started. Firstly you will need this kind of base. I have taken one plastic base. You can take any kind of plastic base. It will be helpful. It won't stick your final materials with the base. So I have taken one cake base here. You can take any kind of plastic base. Firstly I will take one quilling strip. Here is our one quilling strip. Now from this quilling strip we will make 4 small strips of equal length. So firstly I will tear them in 2 equal halves. Then I will tear each half again in equal parts. Border body, I will take one strip and with the smallest circle possible with the border body, I will wind up our quilling strips one by one to form small petals. A small tip I want to share with my viewers that I have used my hands to tear apart the quilling strips. This is because when you tear them with hands and not using the scissors to tear the quilling strips apart, the surface, the torn surface are uneven, and when you finally attach them, you cannot see a sharp edge and the edge is almost vanish. It will give a better result. That's why I have used. Now I have one small circle. Just press it with your fingers like this and you will get one small petal. each other to make a flower. I will use white glue at the tip of each petal to attach with each other. Petal flower. This is our base unit of the design. The flower is ready. You will need 12 more such petals with 3 more strips. I have used 3 more strips to make these 12 petals, and you will need to join these petals to make such flowers. Total 4 flowers will be there. Now we have our 4 flowers ready. We need to attach them to get one earring. So firstly I will attach these 2 flowers with the help of glue. Just like this, we are attaching these 2 flowers. One earring ready, and we have one 5 mm jumpring and one fish hook. Now with help of my fingers I am opening the jumpring and attach it with the earring, and I will also attach the fish hook with the earring, and I will close the jumpring with the help of the flat nose plier. Like this. So our earring is ready. I have made another earring like this. This is very gorgeous earring. This looks complex, but it is actually simple to make. You can easily make them in your home. Thank you.